We do have a level 2 de-identified data. So this is de-identified data, but does include the line list, so individual data that does include the microbiology and the molecular results. So in these standard data sets, it includes case demographics, the verbal autopsy raw data, decode results, so those are the cause of death, the TAC results, which is that multiplex PCR testing, and then the lab results, which include the culture results from that individual case, as well as that standardized HIV, tuberculosis, and malaria. So the answer to your question is yes, that's available. It's available by this registering and requesting this de-identified data. The process to do this, I would first direct you to the CHAMPS Dataverse. So this is a website that houses, and it's going to load, it's a library of information for multiple data sets. I want to point out on this data, this is where you can find all of the documentation that you will receive when you actually request a standard data set. So if you have some questions about if this is what you really are looking for, the data set, or can we do it by just looking at the website, you can easily come here and download one of these specifications and then decide. But again, back to if it is something that you do want to download the data, it's just you register and request. It's a simple couple processes, some basic information. You will get an email after you register and agree to the data use agreement. You will get an email that will, within seconds or minutes, that will point you to a website to download the data set. Again, the data set includes files that includes all of this information. Additionally, with that data set, we are also having a GitHub portal, which posts, and there's a link to that as well, where we will be posting our codes that are used in publications coming out of the CHAMPS data. As well, what's currently there is a code in R, and for those not familiar with R package, it's a free data analysis and statistical software. And we will be posting any code through GitHub. There is one right now that is a general code that goes through some of the basic analysis of the data set as it's currently. But I just want to point out on this page that in addition to being able to download the code, there is an extensive documentation that's available with this. Again, this code is open access and can be downloaded with a couple of clicks as you're going through the website.